Welcome to the Home Science lesson on fabric finishes. In this lesson, you will learn about textile finishes, classification of finishes, basic finishes and their types, special finishes as well as dyeing and printing of fabric. Let's start. To begin, let's talk about textile finishes. Textile includes fibers, yarns, and cloth. These materials undergo treatments known as finishes to enhance their appearance and quality. Imagine a piece of fabric coming straight from the loom. It's called a gray fabric, and it's dull, wrinkled, and unattractive. Finished fabrics, on the other hand, are lustrous, available in various colors and designs, smooth, wrinkle-free, and more appealing. These finishes, such as dyeing and printing, make fabrics beautiful and unique. Now, textile finishes are important since they allow us to create variety in fabrics through dyeing and printing, improve the appearance and feel of the fabric, make fabrics more useful and suitable for specific purposes, and enhance the draping ability of lightweight fabrics. Finishes can be classified based on their functions, performance, and nature. The main categories are functional, performance, chemical, and mechanical. Basic finishes aim to improve the look, feel, and body of textiles. For instance, bleaching makes cotton garments white, and starching adds weight and luster to lightweight fabrics. Functional finishes, on the other hand, enhance fabric performance for specific purposes, like fireproofing or waterproofing. Finishes can be temporary, semi-durable, durable, or permanent. Temporary finishes wear off after a wash, while durable finishes like permanent pleats last the life of the fabric. Finishes can also be classified as chemical, wet, or mechanical, dry. Chemical finishes modify the fabric's properties through chemical treatments, while mechanical finishes involve processes like beating, brushing, and calendering. Moving on to basic finishes, these include scarring, cleaning, bleaching, starching, stretching, and calendering. Scarring removes impurities, bleaching whitens fibers, starching adds stiffness, and calendering smooths and shines the fabric. Now, let's explore special finishes like pre-shrinking, sanforization, mercerization, parchmentization, and wash and wear. Pre-shrinking prevents further shrinking after washing, mercerization adds strength and gloss to cotton, parchmentization creates translucent fabrics, and wash and wear makes fabrics wrinkle-resistant. Finally, we come to dyeing and printing, which bring colors and patterns to fabrics. Dyeing colors the fabric uniformly, while printing creates designs by applying dye to specific areas. Dyes used in textile finishing can be natural or synthetic. Natural dyes come from plants, animals, and minerals, while synthetic dyes are chemically produced. Textiles can be dyed at different stages: fiber, yarn, or fabric. Decorative dyeing methods include tie and dye and batik, which use resist techniques to create patterns. Textile printing methods include block printing, screen printing, roller printing, and stencil printing. Block printing, for example, involves using engraved wooden blocks to create patterns on fabric. And with that, we wrap up this informative lesson. For additional information on this lesson, please look at the content below the video in the online course. To get a list of the important questions and their answers for this lesson, please refer to the guidebook by our publications provided to you with this course for free. It shows you a list of all the questions that have the highest chance of coming in your next exams based on research carried out on previous year question papers. All the best, and I'll see you in the next lesson.